See, there's not enough. If I do 99 good, no, I to show you my love without fucking love. I can buy you a new baby, so from July. So,
Hello guys, welcome back to Pat King. Today I'm gonna share with you another Burna Boy's performance that has got the internet talking already about it. Burna Boy just performed at the Sony Hills Festival, Pristina, Kosovo, and he has got the whole audience, the whole fans, the people who were watching Burna Boy perform were so much very happy to see Burna Boy again on stage. Burna Boy killed it. Burna Boy killed the show. He did extremely well. His performance was top notch, and he gave the audience what they really wanted. His vocal, his sound, the music production, the band, everyone performed. Everyone did diligently their work. They executed their work, and it all went well. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Watch till the end, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Get subscribed to the channel, turn on the bell notification icon, and stay tuned for any videos like this. I love you.
Make me trabaye. Now I no be just anybody. I make a no vision. My body done is tired. Make me mine. I ain't just gonna die. My only die. My body done is tired. Make me mine. When my whole world is set on fire, don't leave me alone. Dog is on probation. Let's bring girls to his location. Sony! Hands up in the air!